Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. Let's do our number corner for today. So before I reveal what today is, if you want to cut out number 28 to follow along, you are more than welcome to. So pause the video if you want to do that. Otherwise, we're going to get started. All right, what is today going to be? Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. We have a quadrilateral or a rectangle. And here is our shape for today. Let's fold it to see if it is symmetrical. So it is symmetrical this way. Now let's see if it's even more symmetrical if we can fold it even more. It is. I think we could just keep going and going and going. Look at that. It's like an accordion now. I can even fold it this way too. So it is most definitely symmetrical. Let's log that in our chart. Today is April 28th. We have a quadrilateral and it folds in at least 4 ways. We can definitely fold more, and yes, it is symmetrical. Okay, let's see how many days in school today. Yesterday we had 149 days in school. So what is today? If we add one more right here, how many days in school do we have? Okay, your job is going to be to fill this out today the best that you can. I'm actually going to fill out the written form. Actually, that's a little bit harder. So yeah, I will fill out the written form. So you do not have to do that. We'll fill it in tomorrow. Your job is going to have to do the total days, hundreds, tens, and ones, in expanded form. Written form is a little bit trickier. If you want to do it, it's optional. If you do not feel like you can spell it, just try your best. Okay? All right. Okay, we only have 3 more days of this. Let's see how many we get today. 4. Here are our popsicle sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have enough to make a bundle? We do not. Good job. Okay, because how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We only have 7. And we need how many to make a bundle? 10. Okay, let's add our 4 to our tallies. 1. Remember, when we have to make 5, we have to cross over. 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now we have 7. Okay, let's go over our homework for today. We have our Scholastic Learn at Home activity on Google Classroom for reading. Watch the writing lesson and follow the instructions on it. There is a document to do also. Complete page 5 and 6 of your math packet. That is the packet that was sent home. If you do not have the packet, there are pages attached. Again, we are still working with the math group to get those sent out to families that do not have them. So if you have not received yours yet, please let me know and I will check on it again. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. No science or social studies today, and then optional activities for art, music, and PE from Miss Mortimer, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Mr. King. Boys and girls, have a wonderful Tuesday. Supposed to be a little rainy again today, but try to get outside and get some air. I know the end of this week into the next 2 weeks is going to be beautiful. So I am so excited to soak up that sun with Miss Evelyn. So you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. And I will see you guys hopefully soon online. Bye, guys.